Good morning everyone. We are RNites. Today I am Anant Mishra
And I'm Prateek Singh.
We are here to present our robot which is based on the theme Revolutionize the Agriculture.
So our problem statement is that when we think of farmers in our country, what do we think of them? We think that most farmers are very poor or they earn just enough to barely get by. But for these farmers who cannot afford a tractor, their land is small and they cannot do commercial agriculture, they rely on basic subsistence agriculture. For these type of farmers, we have invented the agrobot, which does all the functions that a farmer needs. It can irrigate the fields, sow the seeds, plow the fields and harvest the crops.
Now we will look at the problems faced by the Indian farmers. We will look at the bullet points, labor intensive, cost inefficient, small land holding and other modes. Basically the dependency on monsoons. Now we will look at the functioning of the robot. Gotcha,
Okay, so the first function of the agrobot is this powerful plowing module which can plow the field very efficiently. Like for example, when we press the button, it goes down. And then when we press it again, it goes back up. And this enables us to plow the fields very efficiently. And after plowing the fields, the next step is irrigation. And for that, my friend will show you how it is done.
So basically, in a smart irrigation system that has been placed in this robot has certain components like the ultrasonic sensor, servos, soil moisture sensor, water pump and relay system. Now we will basically look at the functioning of the robot. When the crop will come in between the ultrasonic sensor, the soil moisture will sense the soil content. It will display on the screen. Now if the soil moisture content will be low, then the water will move out.